All right, here's what we got going on in this rainy on and off day. I'm gonna try to get some of this taken care of, all of it, to go ahead and get the distributor out of here and get it swapped out and get this, so we can figure out what the heck is going on with this thing. Let's get that little booger out of there. She's covered up pretty good, huh? Yeah. All right. I found an issue on the distributor. Check that out. So, it's a good thing we're changing this. Wear like that. That's from the oil pump. But when I'm done showing the compression was what, 140? So, all right, we got an update on the 97. She has some little issues. So anyway, let me tell you what I found out. We did find you can see the you can see. But anyways, that was the new oil pump. Here's the oil pump gear. So put a new oil pump in it, new distributor in it. This is the distributor cap. Yeah, I've seen better. Yeah, just a slight miss on number 6. And tomorrow, that's what I'm gonna do. I did flush cylinder 3, scoped it, had a little carbon on the valves, and was able to get it just super clean. The piston was clean as could be. Took it apart, cleaned the throttle body, cleaned it. They did cross thread one of the spark plugs. Yeah, you can see cross threaded, but it wasn't that bad. I was able to trace run a trace through the cylinder, through the plug. Let me see what I got here, y'all. Well, it's in my toolbox. Was able to put a tap, run it through, clean the threads out. So threads came back, put a new plug in it. Perfect. Everything great. So tomorrow, I would really like to get rid of the EGR setup on these. That's the plan for tomorrow. We're gonna get that cleaned up, get the truck out of here so I get back on the 55. So everything's working out good. Just a little slow right now, but we're gonna get it together though. If things will get moving. After I'm done with all that, we'll get to my car. That's the least of my worries right now. So I got plans for that, and it's gonna be exciting, especially when I tell all y'all. Ooh. But anyways, have a good day. I gotta go to work. Go figure.